Let us see property next. Fifth, statement of property. If each element of a row or column is expressed as the sum of two numbers, then the determinant can be expressed as sum of two determinants. Simple property. Elements from row. Each element of that particular row expressed as sum of two numbers. Sum of two numbers. Then determinant can be expressed as sum of two determinants. Let us see with example. Suppose R1 is expressed as sum of two numbers in determinant. Let us see here determinant D elements first row 2, 1, 3. I can express all these elements of the first row as a sum of two numbers. That is simply number 2. I can write as in addition 1 plus 1 as a two elements. Or I have another one choice. I can write 2 plus 0. It is also 2. Next number is 1. It can be expressed as 1 plus 0. Otherwise, minus 1 plus 2. Also plus 1. Number 3. It can be expressed as a 1 plus 2, 2 plus 1, or 4 minus 1 also. Anyway, if you are writing a number of that corresponding row as a sum of two numbers, then property says determinant value does not changes, it remains same also. Okay, let us see. First row elements expressed as 2 as a 1 plus 1. Next element 1, I have written 1 plus 0. And last element 3, that is 2 plus 1. Now writing it as sum of two determinants. Two determinants can be expressed separately with the numbers elements. First element selected that are to be taken in the first row of new determinant. Second and third remain same as it is. Check here. First determinant elements first row 1, 1, 2 as a first row of first determinant. Second elements 1, 0, 1. First row of that second determinant 1, 0, 1. Only one row we have changed. Second row, third row remain same as it is. There is not the any change. First determinant solving along first row. Second also we are solving along first row. Signs are taken as a alternating plus, minus and plus as per the position. First determinant value 1 multiplied this remaining element minus 3103. You already know how to get determinant. Second minus 1 element eliminated row and column remaining entries 2 1 2 minus 3 plus 2 times of eliminated that row and column remaining elements 2 minus 3 2 0 in last determinant. Next, plus value for second determinant along the first row element plus 1 into eliminated row and column minus 3 1 0 minus 3 elements. Next value minus of 0 eliminated corresponding row and column. Remaining entries in the determinants are 2 1 2 minus 3 and plus 1 last element eliminated that particular row and column. Remaining elements 2 minus 3 2 and 0 expressed in determinant. Now solving these determinants, if you solve first one minus 3 into minus 3 it becomes 9 9 minus of 0. Then 2 into minus 3 minus 6 minus of 2 it becomes minus 8. 2 into 0, 0, minus 2 into minus 3, minus 6, it become plus 6. Check. 1 multiplied 9 minus 0, minus 1 multiplied minus 6 minus 2, 2 multiplied 0 plus 6. Same solving last three determinants. Again getting the terms. 1 multiplied 9 minus 0, minus 0 multiplied minus 6 minus 2, 1 multiplied 0 minus 6. Now calculations. This one 9 minus 0 become 9. 9 into 1 is 9. Next minus 6 minus 2 is minus 8 multiplied minus 1. It become plus 8. And last 6 into 2, 12. Same way, next line, check this. 1 into 9, again 9. Minus 6 minus 2 minus 8 minus minus plus 8. And last 0 plus 6, 6. Now writing total addition. 9 plus 8 plus 12 plus 9 plus 6. Sum is obtained 44. There is not the any change in the value of determinant. It is same as a determinant D. Just we separate that two determinants as per our choice. Property number next, sixth statement of property. If a constant multiple of all elements of any row or a column is added to the corresponding elements of any other row or column. I repeat, constant multiple of all elements of any row or column is added to the corresponding element of any other row or a column. Then the value of new determinant so obtained is the same as that of the original determinant. With example, you will better understand. Let us see example here. Before that, one line here, whatever the operations we are applying, they are writing as a Ri change as Ri plus K times Rj. Here, sign must be only single-headed arrow, not the double-headed, because only one row we are changing. So implication symbol is single-headed arrow. Ri change as Ri plus K times Rj. Does not change the value of determinant. Example, this determinant we have already solved. Its value is known 44. Applying here transformation on a particular row. Check, particular row transformation apply as R1 change to R1 plus 2 times of R2. Check here in property mention that constant multiple of all elements of any row, constant multiple that is 2 times of second row, are added to the corresponding element of any other row. So here 2 times of second row, it is added with the first row. So elements of that first row are changing. Check calculation wise. Here no change in the second and third row. I can keep as it is second row and third row. Changes is only in first row. Value for the first row elements are already 2, 1, 3, and I am adding in that elements 2 times of second row, 2 times of the second row. Second row all elements are multiplied by 2. The new elements are getting 4 minus 6 and last is 2, and after addition you will get new value as 6 minus 5 and plus 5 as a first row. So we apply transformation on a first row as first row change to R1 plus 2 times of R2. So new determinant is obtained here. D6 for property number 6. First row element 6 minus 5 and 5. This calculated determinant in the first row elements. Second row and third row as it is. Solving determinant along first row. Selected first row elements. Signs are taken as alternating plus minus for this position, positive, negative and positive. Then first element 6 multiplied with the subdeterminant obtained by eliminating first row and column minus 3 1 0 minus 3. Next minus of minus become plus 5. Eliminated that particular row and column. Remaining elements are 2 1 2 minus 3. Next element plus 5 times of. Eliminated that row and column. Remaining elements here 2 minus 3 2 and 0. Solving determinant, we get value 6 times of minus minus become plus 9 minus 0. Next plus 5 times of minus 6 minus of 2, and last 5 times of 0 minus minus plus 6. Then 9 minus 0 9, 9 into 6 54. Minus 6 minus 2 minus 8, minus 8 into 5 minus of 40. And last 0 plus 6 is 6, 6 into 5 30. Check 54 minus 40 is 14, 14 plus 30 44. Value of determinant is obtained same as the determinant D. So property verified here. If any row or a column you will change as multiple of another row, it will be get added, then value of determinant remains same. There is not any change in the determinant value. Property 7 statement. Name of property is triangle property. If each element of a determinant, each element of a determinant above or below the main diagonal is 0, above or below the main diagonal is 0, then the value of determinant is equal to product of its diagonal elements. Determinant elements A1, B1, C1. This A2 given as 0, B2, C2, A3, B3 given 0, next C3 as it is. Simply elements below this diagonal all are 0. Next possibility, elements in first determinant given below the diagonal are 0. Next, otherwise, determinant elements above the diagonal, check here, above diagonal, all these elements are 0. In both cases, determinant value is obtained product of diagonal elements A1, B2 into C3. One more thing is also possible, that is elements below diagonal as well as above diagonal both are simultaneously 0, means in that determinant only diagonal elements are exist, then also value of determinant is getting the product of three diagonal elements A1 into B2 into C3. Let us see example here. Determinant D for this property 7th, D 7th. Check this. Given as 213031004. Elements below this diagonal are the 0. You can guess. Answer will be the product of diagonal elements 2 into 3 into 4. Product is getting 24. Definitely value of determinant will be 24. Let us see. Solving this determinant along first row. We are taking first row. Element signs as plus, minus and plus. First element 2. 2 multiplied subdeterminant 3104 minus 1 subdeterminant 0104 and last plus 3 into 0300. Calculation values. First determinant 3 into 4 12 12 minus 0. Next 0 minus 0. Last again 0 minus 0. So 2 multiplied 12 minus 0 minus 1 minus 0 plus 3 into 0 minus 0. 12 into 2 product is 24 and remaining these two are 0. Determinant value is here 24, which is the product of all diagonal elements. You can see product of diagonal elements 2 into 3 into 4. Product is 24. These are the 7 properties of determinants.
We stop here. Like, comment, and subscribe my channel.